brush. Wait lang. You talk to them first.
Okay, I'll go get the phone.
Hello? No. Just let it stay there. Oh, bakit? Oh. Okay. Okay. Tatawagan lang ako. Oo. Okay, sige. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Tatawagan ka niya ulit kasi yung bangko tatawag. And then I use this little brush for the brush. Sige. I'm gonna use this. May konting shimmer na to, so... Now, if you notice, hindi ako naglalagay ng shimmer kasi actually, pag sa TV, nakakalaki siya ng fez. So, konting-konting shimmer lang. Konting-konti lang talaga nilalagay ko. Yung iba kasi talagang sobrang... I think it will look nicer sa picture, pero sa TV, I find that hindi siya masyadong maganda tignan. Mukha kang oily lang talaga. Tapos, bale na ang nangyayari, nagpa-bounce yung light. It makes your face wider. So, I don't really do that. If ever, konting-konting shimmer lang. And then I also put a little bit of sa nose ko kasi nga may konting shimmer na tong aking blush on. And then in the chin. That's it. Again.
Shannon!
You probably know this trick that we do. Yung naglalagay ka mo ng...
I need yellow clay for my house.
You did?
I do. I need clay for your house.
You know what? Use this.
You know why I exploded your house? I don't know where your house
Just go in there, oh. Dito lang.
Mommy, I found your house.
You did? Dito lang sa corner ng pinakamata niya. Dito. Hindi siya masyadong shimmery. Kaya, type ko siya.
I got pink clay for you, Mommy. So you can play with pink.
Makes your eyes, parang nag-glow din siya. And then what I do is I put here a little bit.
Pink clay
Dun
for
sa
you,
corner
Mommy,
ng
so you
inyong
can play with it.
between your eyes and your nose.
In my
Yes,
first,
bebe.
I put pink clay for you so you can play with it.
Oh, okay.
Where is my house? Can I show them my name?
Okay, wait lang. Kasi I'm just showing them something. There. Okay. If you notice, yung liner ko, hindi ko siya binubuo. Kasi it looks weird if your dark liner goes all the way there. So, ang ginagawa ko, hanggang dito lang din. Kung nasaan yung eyeballs ko. Hanggang doon lang din. So, ngayon, teka lang, bebe. Bebe, can you turn on the aircon? Because I'm kind of hot. Please, bebe. Nakukutusan. Thank you, sweetie. Bye-bye. Tapos, ayusin ko lang ulit yung liner. Actually, hindi ko na to dinangkat. Oh, there. Oh, go show them. Hello? Yes?
Hello, everybody.
Yes.
So we are on Minecraft, so I don't have anything to hold it, but there we go. So, Mommy, can you hold it? Okay. So here's the builder pack. I'm just gonna see. I already have 150, but I'm using in my inventory. I have I have different kinds of clay. This with let's see. I already have